A new crime lord is trying to take over New York City and he is targeting young people. So a boy named Donald Phillips died from a drug overdose. Peter Parker was his teacher, but surprisingly, there is no evidence that the boy took the drug. So tracking the evidences, Peter learns about the crime lord who is selling drugs to young boys and girls called Mr. Brownstone. So following the lead, Peter comes across with his former lover, Felicia Hardy, the black cat, who is also looking for a girl named Tricia, and the duo confront an actor, Hunter Todd, who was also taking drugs and had a relation with Tricia. But before they could interrogate him, Hunter, along with his girlfriend, died by a drug overdose. The two quickly escape the place and they arrive on a rooftop. There is an awkward silence going on between the two, and then Felicia starts the argument about their relation from a few years back. She can't accept that Peter is married now with Mary Jane Watson, and she starts to blame Peter for breaking up with her, that Spidey doesn't give her enough credit. Felicia admits she was stupid then. She only loved Spider-Man, not the person under the mask. But now she has changed. But she also knows it was too late. Peter feels bad, so he approaches Kat to be friends again, and she gladly accepts that. But right at that time, an explosion occurs that draws their attention, as in a private party, a female Scorpion breaks in there, and she is here to kill the organizer, Garrison Clum. But before she succeeds, Spidey and Kat interferes, and with their combined technique, they are able to defeat Scorpia and send her to prison. In jail, Scorpia is reading magazines, and then Spidey comes outside the window, tries to scare her. He wants to know who hired Scorpia to kill Garrison Clum, and along with Peter, Kat is also there. So Scorpia tells Spidey to inform Felicia that once she escapes, she will going to kill her first. Felicia gets curious. She asks Spidey what Scorpia is saying. So Spidey says Scorpia is complimenting about Felicia's chest, that no woman with a chest like hers should be able to move as fast as she does. So changing the topic, Peter again asks Scorpia who hired her to kill Clum, but she refuses to answer that, and then Peter starts shooting wave balls directly at her, and Felicia starts to sing, which irritates Scorpia, and she agrees to talk. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.